was a house built out of stone. Wooden floors, walls and windows set. Tables and chairs worn by a wall of dust. This is a place that I don't feel alone. This is a place that I call my home. And I built a home for you, for me, until disappear from me. It's time to live. I'm tired to die. I'm in the garden where we planted the seed. There is a tree as old as me. By the cracks of his skin I climb to the top. I climb the tree to see when a gust of wind came to blow me down. Held on as tightly as you held on.